Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Guys, it's amazing. It's coming up to Black History Month. What you gonna do for Black History Month? We know a lot of people are always cooking different kind of recipe, different kind of stuff. But this Black History Month, we're gonna come out with a specific recipe for the fans them that tell us, listen, we're gonna support Black History Month, and I know you guys are gonna love it. We're gonna find something really totally different this time for Black History Month. Every year we do something special for Black History Month. So guys, subscribe, like and share. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, tell a neighbor tell a neighbor, and say listen, tune in this summer, this winter, Black History Month Day. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show, and remember to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Google Plus page. And remember, visit my black website chefricardocooking.co.uk. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.